Hello students, once again I welcome you all in this online class of science. And students, we have discussed about acids, bases and salts in the previous chapter. Now in this chapter we will discuss about the soil. Yes, a very important abiotic component that is required by all of us. Now why it is so important? There are few points which are visible on the screen. It is an important natural resource. We know it occurs naturally. Then it helps in the growth of plants by holding the roots and supplying water and nutrients. So in this way it is helping the plants in their growth. Now one more point, it is essential for agriculture which provides us food, clothing and shelter. We know we are getting the food, clothing and shelter from agriculture, and this is essential for that, the growing of plants. Moreover, it is habitat for several organisms like ants, earthworms, snails, centipeds, millipeds, snakes, rats, etc., etc., etc. There are many organisms which lives in the soil. So it is a home for many organisms. So see students, it is so important. In this picture, the living organisms found in the soil are shown. Just have a look, see how many varieties of the organisms are there in the soil. From the fungi to these mite, wireworm, earthworm, millipede, ant, all these are different varieties of organisms found in the soil. Now we have the soil pollution. Means pollution, commonly we say contamination of anything with the use of harmful substances. Now here we are discussing about soil pollution. So soil pollution will be caused by the plastics, chemicals, pesticides and other waste products which are contaminating the soil, making it unfit for use. And it can be reduced by avoiding use of plastics. Now whichever are the reasons, by avoiding them we can reduce that type of pollution. So as the pollution of soil is caused by plastics, chemicals and pesticides, now if we want to reduce it, we have to reduce the usage of plastics, treating the waste and chemicals before releasing into the soil. In acids chapter also we discussed this. Then reducing the use of pesticides and afforestation, that is planting more and more trees. So these are the points which we can do to help the soil pollution in reduction. Now the next thing which I want to discuss is the layers of soil, and for this there is an activity that I want you all to do. What you need to do is, it's very easy. You just take a glass tumbler, 3/4 filled with water, more than half. Then add a handful of soil in that glass tumbler, stir it well with a glass rod or spoon at your home, and then leave it undisturbed for some time. Then we can see different layers of particles of different sizes. Just do this activity students and show me the pictures on WhatsApp. The rotting dead plant and animal remains at the top. It is humus, and below it are the layers of clay, sand and gravel. See in the picture, and you will be able to see in your glass also. So just show me the picture of your glass after doing the activity. It's an interesting activity showing the different layers of soil. Now the next thing which we discuss is soil profile. Now this is the picture of vertical section through different layers of soil. That is called soil profile. The vertical section through different layers of soil is known as soil profile. Now these layers are also called the horizons. Each layer is different in texture, color and chemical composition. As you can see in the picture, A horizon, that is topsoil, then B horizon, C horizon and then the bedrock is there. So they all have different properties. We'll discuss them in details. The A horizon, which is for the plant growth. Then the B horizon, where the roots goes. We'll discuss them all in detail. A horizon, the uppermost layer of the soil. It is also called topsoil. It is dark in color and it is rich in humus. It provides nutrients to plants. It is soft, porous and retains more water. That is why plants are grown in this A horizon. Next we have the B horizon. That is the second layer. It has less humus but more minerals. It is harder and more compact. So when we do this mining and for the minerals, we dig till this B horizon and then we get the minerals. Then the sea horizon, that is the third layer, it has it is made up of small lumps of rocks, small lumps. Then the lowermost is the bedrock, made up of very hard rock. We cannot reach till this. So this is the soil profile. Just learn it, and it is the vertical section of the soil showing different layers. That's it for today, students. I hope you've understood about the importance of soil as well as the layers of soil and the soil profile. So these three things which I explained today, just go through these in your book. And yes, soil pollution also, the methods to reduce soil pollution. So just go through all these, and if you have any doubts, just collect them all and we'll discuss. Keep doing the work, keep reading. Thank you and have a great day.